Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Star Gooseberry Jam. Very easy and a delicious recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To an idli plate, place 1 handful of Star Gooseberry in every slot. Heat a pan, into this add 1 cup of water. When the water comes to a boil, place the idli plate on the pan. Close it with a lid and cook for 5 minutes in medium flame. After 5 minutes, let's open and check. The Star gooseberries are well cooked and ready. So off the flame and allow it to cool a little. Once they are cool, transfer it to a mixing bowl. Now cut the flesh and you can discard the seed. Likewise, cut all the gooseberry and keep it ready. Transfer the gooseberry flesh to a mixer jar and grind it to a fine paste. If you have few chunks, that's totally fine. Heat a pan and add the gooseberry paste to it. Mix it well. Cook for 5 minutes in medium flame. After 5 minutes, the raw flavor of the gooseberry has gone, so go ahead and add 1/4 cup of sugar and mix it well. The sugar will melt and become a little watery. Continue to mix and you will get the correct consistency. Now we have the perfect consistency, so go ahead and add a teaspoon of lemon juice and mix it well. Now our delicious gooseberry jam is ready. You can enjoy it right away with your family and friends. Store it in an 8-8 container in your refrigerator and you can use it for 1 month's time. Very delicious, easy and an instant jam recipe. So do try the Star Gooseberry Jam recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.